day everybody. Today I'm going to unpack this laptop which I received just today morning just now. So I'm going to unpack and go and open the plasters all wrapped around this.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they're holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not, time for a girl on. Break free of history. This train is racing straight ahead. No man can do like I can. I'm the queen of the land. Haters gonna hate. Won't be sorry now. Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law, and you've been served. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not, time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not, time for a girl on time.
You can this normal backpack. This is the second gift that I received. I'm going to unpack this. Okay, this is the second gift that I received with the package. Okay, this is a mouse. Okay, USB ports, USB wires, cleaning supplies, pen drive, and a cooling pad. Okay, we also receive mouse pad, okay, and keyboard protector. Okay, now I'm going to unbox the laptop. It is Acer Aspire 3. It is sealed. We also received this HDD upgrade kits, okay, setup guide book, and also warranty booklet. Okay, this is the battery charger. Okay, now we will see the laptop. Now I will show you the laptop, how it look inside. Let's have a look. This is Aspire 3, which has faster wireless and narrow bezel. These are the bezel here. Blue light shield for your eyes. Precision touchpad. This one. And HDMI port. It has Intel Core i5-10210U processor, NVIDIA GeForce MX230 with 2GB RAM, 4GB DDR4 memory, 512GB SSD. Okay, this is the charging port. This is the Ethernet. This is HDMI port. 2 USB port. On the other side we have headphone, USB port. Okay, now we have plug in the charger. Okay, the indicator here shows that battery is charging. To use the notebook for the first time, plug in before turning on the first time. Press the power button. Then follow the on-screen instruction to complete setup.